What size belt is needed for a John Deere 214 mowing deck? John Deere manufactures a large variety of lawn and riding mowers. The John Deere 214 series was manufactured between 1975 and 1987 in Horicon, Wisconsin. The belt required for the 200 series of these mowers are available through a variety of parts manufacturers. 200 series. The 200 series John Deere mowers came in three sizes: 212, 214 and 216. The 212 series was the smallest and the 216 was the largest. The deck belt is the same for all three of the 200 series mowers. Belt size. The belt needed for the John Deere 214 mower deck is an aftermarket belt, meaning it's not manufactured any longer by John Deere or any of its original parts OEM manufacturers. The size of the belt is 17/32 inches wide by 80 1/8 inches long. Deck size. John Deere has two deck sizes for the 200 series of mowers, 38 and 39 inches cut. The size of the deck is based on the amount of grass area the blade of the mower cuts. The belt fits both deck sizes. Additional information. Because the belt is manufactured aftermarket, ensure the retailer or part manufacturer sells quality parts. A John Deere authorized dealer may have the belt or suggest where to order the belt. Authorized dealers also sell used parts and equipment.